In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera and audio settings in Zoom so you can look clear and sound professional in every meeting. Before we start, make sure your Zoom desktop app is open and you're on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing all the settings you need. To begin, look toward the top right or bottom corner of the Zoom window and click on the small gear icon. This opens the Settings panel, which is where you control how Zoom uses your camera and audio devices. Once you're inside Settings, go to the Video or Video and Effects tab. This section is your visual control center. Right away, you'll see a live preview of your camera feed. This is very useful because it shows exactly what others will see when your camera is on. If you have more than one camera connected, like a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, you can switch between them using the camera drop-down menu. Just select the one you want to use. It's a good idea to choose your preferred camera here so Zoom remembers it for future meetings. Now, take a moment to check how you look on screen. If the image looks too dark or unclear, try adjusting your lighting. Facing a light source, like a window or a lamp, can make a big difference. Also, position your camera at eye level and center your face in the frame for a more natural and professional appearance. You'll also see options for things like background blur or virtual backgrounds. These can help clean up your background and keep the focus on you. Just keep in mind that some effects may use more system resources, especially on older computers. Next, let's move to your audio settings. In the same settings window, go to the Audio tab. Here you'll see options for your microphone and speakers. Under Microphone, choose the device you want Zoom to use. This could be your laptop's built-in mic or an external microphone. Speak a few words and watch the input level move. This confirms your mic is working properly. Under Speaker, select where you want to hear sound. This could be your laptop speakers, headphones, or an external audio device. You can also click the Test button to make sure everything is working correctly. If you ever join a meeting and people can't hear you, it usually means the wrong microphone is selected or the volume is too low, so it's always a good idea to check this before your meeting starts. Another helpful tip, if you plug in a new headset or microphone later, come back to this section and reselect it so Zoom uses the correct device. Once everything looks and sounds good, you can close the settings window. Zoom will automatically save your preferences, so you don't have to set them again every time. So just to recap, open Settings using the gear icon, go to Video to adjust your camera, then head to Audio to select your microphone and speakers. With just these simple steps, you'll be ready to join any Zoom meeting with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.